Every great institution starts with a great foundation. Founded in 1920 by the Mill Hill Fathers, SK Holy Trinity stands tall as a true commitment to education excellence. Over the years, our school has witnessed numerous transformation. From humble beginnings to the modern educational institution we see today, with its iconic logo and majestic gate, our school reflects the pride and dedication that reside within its wall. SK Holy Trinity is committed to be the place where students are nurtured to become the leaders of tomorrow.
The school building blocks cater the students' needs for great education. Beyond the classroom, we have the dental clinic for the students, remedial classroom, science lab, counseling room, access center, and library.
At SK Holy Trinity, leadership is not just a word, it is a way of life with a dedicated and dynamic administration lineup. Our school thrives on the pillar of inspiration. Together, they lay the path for success, ensuring a bright future for every student.
The heart and soul of SK Holy lies within its tireless educators and caring teachers. Driven by commitment to students' success, these teachers spearhead a transformative education for all. Members of the ICAP are also the pillar of strength for this school.
Our vision and mission drives us forward. At SK Holy Trinity, we believe in fostering holistic growth and empowering young minds to face the world with confidence and compassion. With our powerful slogan, "To unite, to excel and to serve," we continue to inspire and aspire towards excellence in all our endeavors. Amidst our enriching journey, we celebrate numerous achievements from academic triumphs to cultural accolades, from sporting victories to leadership recognition. Holy students have significantly contributed to our legacy of excellence. SK Holy Trinity believes that education extends beyond the classroom walls, encouraging students' participation in sports and co-curricular activities. We ignite the spirit of teamwork and instill vital qualities such as discipline, resilience, and sportsmanship for all our students.
SK Holy Trinity believes in the power of love. Program CASI, our unique initiative for the Christian students, fosters a great love of religion and Christ in the heart of the students. Through various activities and programs, Program CASI strive to make a positive impact on Christian students at SK Holy and reinforcing positive religious values. Program CASI aim to produce individuals who are brilliant and balanced in terms of spirituality and intellect, loving the church and producing individuals who are worshipers of God.
As an institution committed to continuous improvement, SK Holy diligently measures and monitors its Key Performance Indicator, or KPI.
The benchmarking of these indicators ensures that we provide the quality education and holistic development our students deserve.
Through our KPI, we continuously pushes the boundaries of achievement, ensuring we provide the best education for our students.
Embarking on a transformative journey, our school is bustling with myriads of activities.
From thrilling team-building experiences to commemorating our 100th anniversary, every moment at our school is filled with creativity, diversity, and camaraderie.
Cultural activities, football and sports competition, engaging with the Parents and Teachers Association and others. We leave no stone unturned in shaping well-rounded students and individuals.
We take pride in the remarkable achievements of our students. Their dedication and hard work have brought numerous accolades to our school, raising SK Holy Trinity name at both district and state levels. These achievements reflects the commitment to excellence that drives our educational philosophy. despite setbacks and problems that we are facing. We will continue to march forward and strive to excel.
As we conclude this journey, let us remember that SK Holy Trinity is more than just a school. It is a place where dreams come alive and futures are shaped.
Together, we will pave ways for future generations, empowering them to become lifelong learners as we continue to unite, to excel and to serve.